In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Otter.ai for free. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be set up to use Otter.ai without spending a dime. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open your web browser and head straight to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type in Otter.ai and press enter. You'll see a list of results, but the one you're looking for should be titled something like Otter.ai, transcribe voice meetings instantly. The purpose of this search is to navigate directly to the official Otter.ai website, which is where you'll find the free option we're talking about today. Once you've found the official Otter.ai link in your search results, click on it. This will take you to their homepage. As you land on the page, you'll notice that Otter.ai offers a comprehensive suite of features, including AI-powered note-taking, transcription, and insightful meeting summaries. All these tools are designed to make your experience seamless and efficient. Now, don't be overwhelmed by the myriad of options. We're here for the free version, so let's keep our focus. On the homepage, you'll find a button that says Start for Free. It's usually prominently displayed, so it's hard to miss, but if you're having trouble, just take a moment to scroll down the page a little. Clicking on Start for Free will take you to a new page where you need to initiate the process of signing up for a free account. Next, you'll click on Get Started, which will further guide you into creating your free account. At this point, you'll be prompted to either create a new account or sign in if you have an existing account. If you're new to Otter.ai, choose to create a new account. You can do this by connecting through your email. It's crucial to ensure that you have access to this email, as it will be used for verification purposes. Plus, having access to your account information in one secure place keeps things organized. Now, after you've entered your email information, follow the instructions on the screen to verify your email. This step is important as it ensures your access to Otter.ai is officially recognized and secured. After verification is complete, get ready to explore. By following these steps, you gain access to some fantastic features backed by AI technology to make your digital life even easier. The free tier offers enough to get started, including a generous amount of free transcription minutes every month. And just like that, you're now ready to take advantage of Otter.ai with absolutely no cost involved. Enjoy your free account and the efficiency that comes with it.